Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. You probably have noticed my shooting angle is a little bit different today because I'm actually using some new gears. Okay, just Appa will ever trying to improve the gears that I'm using so that I can give you the clearer angle. Okay, today I'm going to do teochew steamed fish. Okay, I have a red snapper with me today. After wash it, make sure you wash cleanly on the middle, the blood in the middle. This is actually the source of the fishiness, and you want to remove it, all the blood. That is the kidney of the fish. And then make a few slits on the fish body, like this. Yeah, both sides. And you can sprinkle a little bit of salt, okay, to marinate the fish. And then let's take a look at what are the things that we need to make the sourish teochew gravy or the teochew sauce. So what you need here is this. Do you need to zoom in? Okay, zoom in a bit. Okay, so this plate here have few things. I have about 3 to 4 tablespoons of chopped. This is the salted mustard green, and then few pieces of chopped chili. This is half of tomato. This is about 1 to 2 centimeters of ginger. Okay, so this will give you the broth you like. And then for the sourish flavor, you will also need this. This is actually the plum, salted plum. It actually comes in a bottle. Usually it comes in a glass bottle like this. Oh no, this is actually plastic bottle. Okay, it actually comes in like this. This is actually the sauce of sourish. It is very sour, so I actually added about 1 tablespoon of the sauce that coming together with the brine that coming together with this salted plum. And then we have this is 1 tablespoon of fried garlic. This is 1 tablespoon of pork lard, optional. 1 bowl of chicken stock.
Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Alright, so prepare 1 boiling pot of hot water here. This is your steamer. Carefully put in the fish. And close the lid. And I'm going to steam this for 2 minutes first. Steam for 2 minutes under medium-high heat. 2 minutes later, I'm going to take it out to remove the fishy water. Then continue steam for another 13 to 15 minutes. Total steaming time should be somewhere around 15 minutes for this about 800 grams of red snapper. Alright, this is after the first 2 minutes under medium-high heat. We want to very carefully, okay, there are some fishy water coming up. You want to very carefully remove the fishy water and add on the chicken stock and the rest of the ingredient. Okay, I off the fire first, if not the steam is too hot. Okay, so just remove this and get rid of the fishy water. See, all the fishy water here, we don't want that. Remove them. That's the source of the fishiness. Alright, I have actually moved the fish over to another plate so that all the fishy water will be left behind. So what we do right now is to start adding in the ingredient here. We have the tomato, the salted mustard green, together with the ginger. They are 2 best friends, yeah? And not forgetting the chopped chili. Wow. Nice color. This is actually the pork lard. Like I said, this is optional. And this is the plum, the salted plum. This will make your broth very sourish. And not forgetting our chicken stock. And we're going to give it a bit of seasoning with some fish sauce. Let me grab my fish sauce. I'm trying to adjust myself with all these gears. Bit of fish sauce, not too much. Okay. And then, do I need to put some sugar? Nah, I think it's alright. And then, carefully, nope. Prepare the. Make sure your steamer is boiling again. Then only you put in the fish. Okay, our steamer is ready. Carefully put in the fish. Cover the lid. Let it steam for another 13 minutes. Then it is done. Simple. Alright, this is after another 12 to 13 minutes. So total cooking time approximately 15 minutes under medium-high heat. Put off the fire. Oh, super fragrant. I can smell the sourish flavor, and if you drink the broth, it's going to go so well with your white rice. Okay, this is what we call the teochew steam. Yeah, teochew steam. Some people will add in some shiitake mushroom or some tofu. All right, so up to you. You can be more creative. So now I'm just going to garnish it with a little bit of fried garlic. And also fresh coriander. All right, done. Let me zoom in the. Can I zoom in the fish? Okay. So if you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye bye.